the PGs to community medicine department. First question, why did you choose community medicine?
Sir, I joined because community medicine is my favorite subject. Ever since third year, it's been my passion to work in community medicine. I want to join in WHO. I want to roam all over the world, meet different people, doing seva.
Okay, stop. Okay, stop. No time. Next.
Sir, actually, community, I love community, sir. The show, sir. It's my favorite. And also, sir,
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Come Amit, sit down. You're very late for your protocol submission. How are you planning to finish it within a week and all? Anyways, I'm planning to think about a study-based and randomized control trial with a double blinding, and we can actually go for a sample size something as 5,600, so that you can finish it within a year itself and do another 9 projects.
Imda, those just telling me. I was not breaking him Bumla. What he was doing?
Are you even listening to what I'm speaking?
yes, sir.
So I can go with community medicine department. HIV meeting of the teachers.
Sir,
What?
this DRP posting.
Yes.
1 month and all I cannot go, sir. Maximum 2 or 3 days. Our thesis submission.
Oh, this kind of behavior cannot be tolerated. Go.
Sir, may I come in?
Yes, come in.
I would do his duty also. I would do my DRP. Double DRP.
No.
Sir, please, sir. I don't want to go to my department, sir. I do DRP 1 month, 2 months also. I don't want to my department, please, sir.
Okay. Then you will be posted in our most peripheral, most remote center for the next 6 months.
Okay, sir. Then I'll marry there only. I'll live my life in there, sir.
Okay, very good. That's sincerity. Okay. Yes.
Beauty center का एक दृश्य.
Sister, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೋಗಿ. Pooja, what is this behavior?
Sorry, I can't see patients. It's too hard today.
You cannot tell you can't see patients.
You don't tell me what to do.
I can't tell you what to do.
You don't tell me what to do.
What to do?
What is your who goes see the patient? Get off my back.
Okay. Sister, oxygen coming to front, oxygen body.
ऑक्सीजन सारे ब्रह्मांड में भर रखा है ऑक्सीजन. सांस तो ले बावड़े.
Sister, take the patient to cath lab.
Cath lab. Cath lab is
Okay. Then do an echo and let me know the reports.
adu illa.
Okay. Then X-ray होगा.
Technician illa.
ECG तो होगा आपके पास.
Machine नहीं काम कर रही.
तो फिर है क्या यहाँ?
Referral form.
District Hospital.
एक्सपायर है हाँ.
And I got wiped with this patient. My God.
You know, why was the patient or the doctor?
Sorry, sir.
No, why only यार.
Hello? Help!
Where is the bus to DH? Why the bus has not come yet? When the bus will come?
यहाँ मेरे को CPR देते देते मेरे को VSD हो गया है. तुमको बस चाहिए, मैं कंडक्टर लगता हूँ तुमको. ऐसे तो बकरी में बैठ के चले जाओ ना. रात फुल रात.
Hey, coordinator PG. अरे PG, उधर VIP पेशेंट है. Go and see the VIP patient.
मैं मर जाऊंगा.
हे राम, हरे कृष्ण, हे जगन्नाथ.
Doctor! Doctor! Doctor!
Sit down, calm down. Yeah.
My asthma! My asthma! I can't breathe.
Calm down. Okay. Do you have an inhaler with you?
Yeah! I'm using it 3 times a day!
Okay.
Oh my God!
Can you please show me how you are using your inhaler?
You think I'm stupid? I'm using it right!
Like that. I just want to see how you
I'll show you!
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं और कुछ लोग मनोरंजन भी करवाते हैं.
I think that is the home that we are sitting next to Tom Sandeep. Akka, hi. Akka. Namaskar, Amma. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಯಾರು ನೀವು? ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ರಮ್ಯಾ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಯಾರು ನೀವು?
ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಪ್ಪ?
ಗಂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾ ಗಂಡ? ಮಧು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಧು?
ಶಾದಿ
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, पक्का लास्ट क्वेश्चन. वन क्वेश्चन.
Sandeep, I think we'll ask about the schemes now.
मुझे इनको पता है कि कुछ नहीं पता पूछना करिए. पिट्टू पेंशन स्कीम चूज मारता. पिट्टू पेंशन स्कीम चूज मारता इतना.
Widow pension scheme.
Hey, you what? What's the right